If you want to receive international payments online and you don't know what to do, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can actually create and verify Payoneer account that you can use this to start receiving money worldwide online. This video is for you, whether you're from Nigeria or any country. This video is for you. You don't need VPN to log in. I'm going to take you step by step how you can actually use this Payoneer and start using it to receive payments worldwide in any currency. All you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store or Apple Store, download Payoneer. As you can see on my screen, if you don't have the app before, you can actually go ahead and click on register. Okay, once you click on register, it's going to tell you let's get you started. As you can see that you need to go ahead and provide your email. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look for an email I want to use to open my Payoneer account. Then I will go ahead and select this one. Okay, I'm going to be covering it for my security reason. Then you are going to click next. Okay, if you click next, they're going to be sending you an OTP for you to go to your email and copy the code and paste it here. Okay, I wanted to copy my code and the code expired. Anytime you want to paste this code, make sure you copy it fast and paste it here so that it will not get expired. Okay, because once it's 10 minutes, it's going to get expired and you cannot use it again. And if you request it for many times, then your account might get into a problem. Okay, I need to go ahead and put the email again and request for it again. Though I've already copied the code and paste it, then you are going to see it's your business registered with any document or tax authority. I'm going to say no, my business is not registered. Okay, because I want to create it for my personal. Okay, as you can see, tell us your name. I'm going to go ahead and put my legal name. Make sure the name you're going to be putting here is your legal name that is on your document. Be very careful, okay, when putting your name. Do not put your nickname. Go ahead and put your legal name. They are going to tell me, where do you live, Faith? Okay, I'm going to say that I'm from Nigeria. Okay, because my identity are from Nigeria, so I don't have to use the country now to register because I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to go ahead and select Nigeria and click next. They are going to ask me to provide my Nigeria phone number, which I'm going to be pasting now, which I'm going to be covering for my security reason. Then they are going to ask me, where am I going to be receiving OTP now? I'm going to say that I want to receive the OTP on WhatsApp, or if you want to receive the OTP on the text message, that's SMS, you can receive it, but I choose WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm going to click next. Okay, I'm going to wait for the code. The code is going to pop up on my WhatsApp. Then I need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, let me paste it here. I'll paste it here and it will be got verified immediately. Then they're going to ask me to put my password. Okay, it's going to went black because I'm putting my password. Okay, make sure when putting your password, make sure the password that you can actually remember here. Okay, because this is what you're going to be using throughout your paper this thing. Okay, so you can see, create your password. Okay, you need to go ahead and create your password. Once your password is good, then they're going to tell you, but if it's not good, they're going to tell you, as you can see, good. Okay, which I'm going to be covering here. Okay, because this is actually my first time. Okay, so you need to go ahead and put your password, then you click next. Okay, it's going to bring you to this interface. I'm going to see sign in fast. No need to type your password every time. Now you can see turn on your fingerprint ID. Okay, if you want to turn on your fingerprint, then you can turn it on. For me, I turn on my fingerprint and I just make sure I cover everything here for my security reason. You can see stay informed, get notified about your financial. So as you can see, you are registered. Okay, now provide information and document that we can get to know you and your business. Now this is where a lot of people make a mistake. That's the reason why I tell you that if you are providing your real name, make sure it's the name that matches on your NIN or any document you want to use it to verify your Payoneer account. Okay, now you can see which industry or trade is best to describe your business. I'm going to go ahead and select anyone like I feel like is okay for me. As you can see, where will your payment come from? Okay, I'm going to select all. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and marketplace, business or client, employers, direct. I'm going to go ahead and select all. Okay, if you select all, it's going to tell you which marketplace. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose this website that I've been working with for a long time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose Fire. Okay, I will click next. As you can see, around how many transactions do you usually make every month? Okay, I'm going to select the first one, 0 to 20, because I know that I will not make up to 50 transactions per month. Okay, I'm just using it for receive money and using it to transfer on my local bank. Okay, you can see, thanks for telling us about your business activities. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, if you click next, it's going to take you to this interface that are going to ask you, where can we find your business online? Okay, you can provide your Facebook link or any link that you feel like it is your profile, then fill it here. Okay, everything you're going to be filling here, make sure it is correct. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and fill my X account. You can see, where does the majority of your business activities take place? I'm going to see Africa. If you are from Europe, Asia, you can select it. Okay, you can see, okay, let's verify your identity. Okay, this is where you're going to be verifying yourself by using your documents to verify yourself so that they will know that it is you. Okay, now I'm going to be using my NIN to verify my identity on this app. Okay, I'm going to be covering it here for my security reason. I'm going to go ahead and click information and document. You can see I've clicked it already. As you can see, it is showing, it started loading. Okay, they're going to ask you to, as you can see, please prepare your documents before starting the process. You need to go ahead and get your documents ready. Okay, before doing it, get your documents ready. At this point, I started looking for my NIN. Okay, if you're from Nigeria, you can use NIN to verify your identity on this app. Okay, anyone you feel like you can use it. At this moment, I start to go and look for my NIN where I keep it. Okay, because I don't know that I'm going to reach this stage. Okay, immediately. Okay, now I'm still looking for my NIN. Though I've seen my NIN now, then I need to go ahead and start my recording again. You can see I started my recording. I've already have my NIN here. As you can see, allow. Okay, you need to continue, allow the thing to take your picture. You can see that you need to, as you can see, capture your document. Now you can see they have NEPA bill, they have a lot of things. Or you need to choose any document that you have, then you can see click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and verify my identity here. Sorry, I'm going to be covering my document for my security reason. Okay, I'm going to be covering it for my security purpose. Okay, now you are going to see that you need to place it in a right way so that like they will not reject your verification. Now they have captured it, then I need to go ahead and click continue. Okay, you can retake. If you notice that it is not good, you can retake it. Okay, now they're going to ask me to take a selfie. Okay, I'm going to be placing my face here and they're going to be verifying my face to know if it is me that is on my documents, though it is me. Okay, now we are reviewing your information. They're going to, as you can see, this may take few minutes. Then you need to wait. Then it's going to be verify your information to know if it is real you. As you can, they have verified it that it is me. You can see that the given name, the name of my NIN is going to appear, but I'm going to be covering for my security purpose. You can see that if your name is on capital letter, you can change it to small letter so that it will rhyme up with the character they gave you here. Okay, I'm gonna be covering something here for my security reason. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and change my name to small letter. Okay, okay, let me just go ahead and change my name to small letter. Now, as you can see, what is your nationality? Already Nigeria, I've already ticked. Now, you need to put in your street address. Okay, when putting this street address, please make sure you put your street address. Put your street address is very okay, because time will come when you are verifying your address. Make sure the street address you are going to put here maybe is on your NEPA bill or any document. So you just make sure you fill the correct street address here or number. Okay, Now you need to go ahead and fill your postal code. If you don't have postal code, you can actually go to Google and search for postal code you can use. Okay. Now they are going to be asking me to put my bank name. I'm going to be putting my bank detail now, which I'm going to be covering for my security reason. I'm going to put the name of the bank here. Okay. All you need to do for is to search your bank name. Maybe you want to use your Naira account to link on this app. You can actually select Naira. And if you want to use USD, there's dollar to link here. You can actually use dollar to link here. Okay. Now I'm going to be using my dollar account to link here. Okay. Which I'm going to be covering for my security reason. I'm going to go ahead and cite the name of the bank I'm going to be using. Okay. Let me search for it. You see any bank is here. If you want to choose, if you want to choose any bank, you can actually go ahead and click on bank section. Select your bank. All the bank option is available here, no matter anywhere you live, or no matter any country you're from. This thing is a worldwide something that you can actually receive money worldwide. This is the mistake we should not let's say wrong back or filling your bank account. Make sure you are being careful here, because any sudden mistake, you're gonna be rejecting your application. Okay, make sure you do it carefully. After you have set everything successful, this is how you're going to be seeing your interface. If you look at the screenshot, you can see review usually take 2 business days. In my own case, it took 5 days. Okay, because they might tell you that it's going to take up to 2 days, but in my own case, it take 5 days before I got accepted. Remember that you can actually use this Payoneer to get paid in any currency. You can see that on this, as you can see, get paid by clearance or marketplace. You can actually manage multiple currency balance on this platform. Like for those of us that is always streaming online, doing survey online, that's the reason why it's okay. Let me just guide you step by step how to do it. Okay, thank you so much for watching.